alcohol, drinks, mixed drinks, music, dancing. It's like I've never had a work party so lit. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday, God bless you. My time with you was short but sweet. Okay, listen, I love it. Oh, this is how it looks. The girls' performance was really good. I love it. Their outfit was so cute. What's up, guys? CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you're returning. If you guys are enjoying the vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe because we're seeing views, but you can like, you can subscribe, don't be shy, but join the family. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's a struggle making these videos. I just lost another video that was already edited and ready to go. All I needed to do was to save it and just create a thumbnail and upload it, but I didn't have enough space, so I tried to delete some stuff to make space, and I ended up deleting half of the clip for the video. So annoying is not the word, I don't know, but we trying to make do with what we have. Okay, so until we get that camera. Today is Friday and work was so fun. It was really good. They had a party. Nobody is really working, for one. Not really doing any work. They had a party for someone who is leaving. Today is the last day. So they had like a breakfast spread. So we had a lot of food. We had sauce. We had bagels. We have tuna. We have grits. And a lot of fruits and pastry. We had grapes, strawberry, blueberry, and cookies, cakes, Johnny bread, banana cake, banana bread, just a lot of stuff. So it was fun. And then afterwards they surprised her with some balloons. They had balloons delivered and they had a singing telegram. So someone who came in and sang. It was just so, a lot of crying. A lot of people just crying. We all need somebody to lean on. We love you, Mr. Crab. It's actually the HR manager. She's leaving. And that's the person who actually interviewed me for the job. So it's really sad to see her go. I only had 3 weeks with her, but I am just grateful for the opportunity that she gave me, you know, giving me the job, and I love it so far. Heading back to work now because I left for my lunch break, went home, now I'm going back to work. We're almost there, guys, almost the end of the day. It's Friday, so let the weekend begin. And it just started off good because we had a party at work. We didn't really work. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next clip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, you are. Three times a lady. Hallelujah. My time with you was short but sweet. Okay. Well, listen, I loved it. Oh,
I told y'all she would love it.
I love it. I'm a devotional lady. Yes. Every morning we do devotions together. Oh no, I'm a devotional lady. Every morning my family does devotions. That's great. That's really good.
That'll be great. So now that means that me and Kyrie will do devotions just the two of us when I drop him off to school. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not. Let me read the prayer. Yeah, should I do it?
Yes,
Guess what? I didn't even know who that was.
Guess who takes that
I didn't
picture?
know what I was. I just say, who this is?
I didn't take that picture.
Wow. I didn't know who that was. I thought I was like, I asked. I'm Gabby. I said, what it is? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. We do. We love you. We do. We love you. God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Hallelujah.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a favor. I'm so faded love.
I have my mixed drink. I'm gonna do everything you want me to do. I will do anything you want me to do. Real bartender, real party going on. I already mixed my drinks. What I got? Fruit punch with some of this. I don't know what this is, but we drinking. Wine, have wine. The work day is finally over, guys. I went back to work after my lunch break and the party was still going on. It's like it turned into a birthday celebration. They were celebrating 4 employees, actually 5 employees whose birthday is in the month of February, and it was so good. More cake, more food, and this time alcohol, drinks, mixed drinks, music, dancing. It's like I've never had a work party so lit. I even brought home some stuff. You know, you gotta bring stuff home. I have a bunch of pastry that I brought home, and yeah, that's just gonna be my guilty treat. But I bring radler, and I bring this a cup full of syrup so I can mix drinks with. Crazy. It was fun though. It was really fun. And I was telling the general manager, like, I've never been to a work party that was so laid back and cool and chill. And she's like, yeah, because you know, sometimes you just gotta work hard and then play hard. I'm like, yeah, I could totally do that. So it's really cool. Anyways, the day is over and that was a great kickstart to Friday. So I'm just excited. Like, that's my partying for the rest of the weekend. Really, I'm just gonna be home chilling. You know, I had my drinks, I had my cake, I had my food. Like, what else you want? See you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, this is the outfit that I'm wearing today. This is a colorful top. I have this design, a long tail all the way down to the side, sleeveless, and kind of, what do you call those, turtleneck kind of thing. It's a whole slit. It's gonna be cute. It's my first time wearing it, and some white jeans, and I want to pair it with this bag. So cute. I love it. That's the fit, guys. I'll see you in a few.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look
Okay guys, in today's Get Ready With Me, I'll be using Imethod Beauty Eyebrow Stamp Kit to do my eyebrows. Once you find the eyebrow stencil that you want to use, line it up with your brow and put some of the product on your sponge brush and apply it to your brow. go in with your spoolie and concealer to make sure your brows are nice and clean. Click the link in my description box, use my discount code, and shop Imethod Beauty, 15% off store-wide. Okay guys, I'm dressed, my makeup is done. Something quick and easy, nothing crazy. I put this headband on my ponytail to kind of match with my top. I love the top, it's so colorful and cute. It's my first time wearing it. I love the style. So this is how it looks. So it's an actual top that I could put the rest of the top in, and then it's just left like this, flowing on the side, and it's all the way down. So I'm going to wear a red heels with this outfit and one of my new bags. So I love it, simple but still colorful and cute. I love my colors. Okay guys, so I was getting ready earlier. We're going to a recital. I think it's like a dance recital. So it's hot, but I'm gonna show you guys outfit of the day sometime later, but you can see right now. Put my hair in one, did my makeup, put this cute little top on, and some white pants. Let me get this car open. Okay guys, so before the recital we're going to the mall. We have to go shopping. We were supposed to be on the road much earlier today to shop and then come home, get ready and go to the recital, but we left the house late. It's after 12, so we decided to bathe, get ready for the recital, then do quick shopping and then go to the recital. So I'm ready. Okay guys, I'm still on the road. At this point we've been looking for stuff, haven't found anything that we want to purchase, so we didn't buy anything. But I am tired, I'm hungry, and my head is about to hurt, so I need to eat something, and then we have to dash straight to the recital because we end up stopping to a food store, buy some meat. So we gotta dash home, drop that off, and then head out. But I'm gonna like try to get some cereal to eat on the road because we're kind of late. Yeah, we gotta go, and we are going to eat after the recital, so I don't want to eat nothing too crazy right now.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take
girls' performance was really good. I love it. Their outfit was so cute with the white button-up shirt, black bottoms, and a black blazer, and then the red bow tie. It was so cute, and they did really good. I enjoyed it. They did the damn thing. I'm tired. We've been on the road from after 1, and it's 8 o'clock right now. It's 8 a.m. It's 8 p.m. So let's find some food and call it a night. Let's go home.